Welcome to Ethical GPT channel. In this video, we will be obtaining a free domain and hosting for life. This video is the first in a playlist on creating an automatic news website. If you're interested, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive every new video in this playlist and other topics and ideas for making money online. I won't take up too much of your time. This is the site where you will get free lifetime hosting and domain. Here are the features of this hosting. As you can see, it is a powerful hosting and you can start with it. We will click on Register Now to sign up on the site. Here, we enter our email, then the password and repeat the password. Then we click here. Finally, we click on Sign Up. I will enter the information now. This window will appear, asking us to confirm the email. We will go to the email and confirm it by clicking on Verify Email Address. To get the free hosting and domain, we need to click on Create Account. Then choose the free plan. If you have a custom domain, enter it here. In this time, we will create a new subdomain. Choose the subdomain extension and name that you prefer, then check its availability. As you can see, this domain is available. We will save the account password and choose anything in this field, then continue. Now we click on Open Control Panel and agree. As you can see, this is your control panel. We go back and click on Finish. Now, we will install WordPress on our site. First, we need to wait for our site to be set up. Then we click on this button, which will take us to this window. Now we install WordPress and fill in the following information. Save the admin username and admin password, then continue. Now we wait until the installation is complete. As we can see, this is the link to the site's control panel. And this is the link to the site. However, the site is currently not secure, so in the next video, I will explain how to activate the SSL certificate. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell to receive all the new content.